Sponsored project offices are responsible for reviewing requests for extramural funding and proposals. The people in these offices are often known as officers or analysts. SPO analysts, or CNG officers as they are sometimes called, are authorized officials who have been given delegated authority by the Chancellor to submit proposals and/or accept funding, known as awards, on behalf of the institution. UC San Diego has 4 primary SPOs: Office of Contract and Grant Administration, OCGA; Scripps Institution of Oceanography, Office of Contract and Grant Administration, SIO-OCGA; Health Sciences Sponsored Project Pre-Award Office, HISPO; Office of Clinical Trial Administration, OCTA. Some of these offices specialize in certain sponsors, agreement types, pre- or post-award activities, or the area of campus they serve. However, generally speaking, their roles and responsibilities include review and submit proposals to sponsors, pre-award, responsible for assuring an appropriate review of the proposal is completed, have vested authority to submit proposals and/or accept awards on behalf of the institution, gatekeepers for proposal review and submission, need to be fully aware of commitments made in the proposal by reviewing proposals, have formal delegation of authority from the UC President to Chancellor to represent the institution when submitting proposals to sponsors. Post-submission activities, which could include working with the PI to finalize required protocols and compliance approvals, or budget revisions when the sponsor has indicated there may be a chance of the proposal being funded. Analyze and negotiate terms and conditions of agreements, pre-award, which can include academic freedom to publish results of the research, freedom to hire research personnel without regard to citizenship, ownership and disposition of intellectual property, for example, patents and copyrights, and research data, protection of personal identifying information for human subjects, liability, risk, indemnification. Please note that this authority is assigned to OCGA, SIO-OCGA, and OCTA only. Assist with closeout procedures post-award. Timeliness of award closeout. Fund inactivation. A primary central office is the Office of Post-Award Financial Services, OPAFS. OPAFS provides financial support in the areas of financial management, cost accounting, and control and accountability, post-award, financial reporting, accounts receivable and cash management, effort reporting, review and approval of expense transfers, cost share monitoring and reporting, fund setup, allocations, billing and collections, initial fund IFOPL setup, collection of dollars to cover expenditures. Both SPO offices and OPAFs work with UC San Diego campus offices and sister UC campuses to evaluate the impact of new policy, research ethics and compliance. This includes oversight of processes to ensure compliance, implement best practices for needed changes, and interpret policy as needed for faculty or leadership requests. Work with sponsors and researchers to develop relationship and advance innovation. SPO's and OPAF's objective is to serve the faculty and researchers while protecting the university and assuring sound stewardship of sponsor funds. This requires coordination between faculty, fund managers, and central research administration offices such as Conflict of Interest, COI, Office of Innovation and Commercialization, OIC, Institutional Animal Care and Use Committee, IACUC, Human Research Protection Program, HRPP,